Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray so nothing shifts electrically. Next, gather a suction cup, plastic spudger, thin picks, and T5/T6 driver. Use 90% isopropyl to soften adhesive. Begin by heating the perimeter gently to 50-60 degrees C to loosen glue, then apply the suction cup and slip a pick under the glass edge. Once you get an initial gap, move along the seams slowly to avoid cracking. Keep the heat moderate and steady. Once the screen is lifted enough, remove any screws holding the midframe and gently pry it up to expose flex cables. You must disconnect the battery first to prevent shorting, then detach the display and digitizer connectors using a plastic spudger. With the module off, clean adhesive and debris from the frame using 90% IPA and a lint-free swab. This ensures new adhesive bonds. Take care not to bend flex cables. If a connector clips, unclip the latch before pulling to avoid tearing the ribbon. You align the replacement screen to the frame using guide edges and press down only after adhesive strips are placed. Start from one edge and work across to avoid trapping air. Reconnect the display and digitizer connectors, then reconnect the battery last. Power on and test touch response, display uniformity, cameras, and sensors before sealing fully. If something fails, make sure to reseat connectors, inspect for debris, and try a forced restart. If touch is unresponsive, check that the digitizer cable is not folded.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.